Parenting is truly the hardest job on the planet, and one that never ends. Our hearts walk around outside our bodies for the rest of our lives, once we hold our delicate and newborn baby in our arms. In the beginning, we don't know what we're doing, and our babies feel so vulnerable and delicate, and they are. But as they grow, and in the midst of our exhaustion, stress, and frustration, and even from within our own childhood wounds and stories, we can lose sight of the little human within our growing child or teen. And we can find ourselves saying things to them that we would never have imagined, and certainly wouldn't have said to our precious, helpless newborns. But there is no great difference, because our newborns and teens on the inside are really the same as they always were. It just looks different. They're one and the same. While our children grow on the outside, on the inside, we all just want to be loved, adored, accepted, seen, and taught how to be resilient, strong, and capable. But without the intention of hurting our children, we can inflict lifelong injuries upon them by saying toxic, damaging, and hurtful things to them, because none of us are perfect parents, and most of us are truly doing the best we can, given our own childhoods, our own challenging lives, and our own stories. Here are some of the most unhealthy, damaging, and toxic things parents can say to their children. As you hear each one, please ask yourself if you would have said this to the delicate human baby on the inside of your growing child or teen. Number 1, constant criticism or feedback, always focusing on what they did wrong, making every single thing they do a lesson or a chance to point out their mistakes. Number 2, shaming and blaming, making them feel bad for who they are, blaming your child for adult issues or responsibilities. Number 3, negative evaluations of your child's appearance, focusing on negative aspects of their weight or appearance, and being judgmental of what your child looks like. Number 4, never validating their emotions and thoughts, never letting them feel what they feel or think. Number 5, name-calling, humiliation, and verbal abuse, using harsh words to humiliate your child. Number 6, telling your child they're a burden. Number 7, threatening abandonment, threatening to leave them. Number 8, being constantly emotionally unpredictable, raging, yelling, screaming, losing control and making your child feel unsafe, and having your child never know what they're going to get with you, or being a continual source of terror, rage, or anger. Number 9, expecting your child to be your emotional caretaker and best friend, or over-involving your child in your adult life and relationships. Overexposing your child to your marriage or dating life, talking about your sex life and your relationship issues. Number 10, not bothering to talk to your child and leaving them alone all of the time or most of the time, or being in the room with them and never really talking to them. It's never too late to learn, heal, and work on your parenting, as it's a lifelong process with a chance to start over literally every single day. And becoming a healthier parent begins with your own self-compassion, self-love, and efforts to repair your own wounds so you can help repair your child's wounds. Your child is counting on you, and you really are the most important person in their life. Lastly, there is one thing I do know to be true, and that is that there is great healing when you get to be the parent you wished you had in your own childhood. So don't let your own shame and wounds prevent you from becoming a better and good enough, not perfect, parent in your child's life. Remember words like, I love you, I'm sorry, Mommy made a mistake, what Dad said wasn't okay, I apologize, I didn't mean to hurt you, I'll work harder, what you did wasn't okay, but it wasn't okay the words I chose. It wasn't okay the way I handled that. Please forgive me. I can do better. I love you. You matter. And I'm so grateful to be your parent.